Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can contour your nose in very easy steps. You have to take a brown shade or any of your brown eyeshadow, and you have to take a brush, and I'm dipping it into this. Then follow the line, and now take a big fluffy brush and blend the edges. And then I am taking a beauty blender, and then I will dip into the yellow shade and then just clean the area, clean the middle of your nose, clean the bridge of your nose and the edges. After 5 minutes, I will dust off the excess powder. Then the main thing, you have to highlight the tip of your nose and the bridge of your nose. I'm picking up this glittery shade from the palette, and I will highlight it in the bridge of the nose, and voila.